Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use LaTeX step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. So first, to use LaTeX easily, we're going to use Overleaf, which is an online LaTeX editor. Just go to Overleaf and click on Sign Up. You can sign up using your Gmail account. It's the fastest way. As you can see, there are two versions, premium and free. But for today, we only need the free version. It's more than enough. After signing up, you'll need to answer a few simple questions. This is just to set up your account, and that's it. Your account's ready. Now let's get into LaTeX. Inside Overleaf, you have two options. You can either create a new project from scratch or choose from a template. Let's start with templates because they make things much easier. For example, you'll find templates for CVs, reports, articles, and more. Let's choose a CV template. As you can see, everything is already designed for you. You can either download the PDF directly or open the source code and customize it. All you have to do is change the text with your own information. Now let's try creating a project from scratch. Click on New Project, then choose a blank project, and here we are. This is your LaTeX editor. On the left, you write your code. On the right, you see the final result in real time. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help you write or customize your LaTeX code faster. This makes everything much easier, especially if you're just starting. And that's basically how you get started with LaTeX. If you want more videos like this, just tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.